My dear students, on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I take this opportunity to thank all my teachers and all my gurus for making me what I am. Without your teachings and without your blessings, I wonder where I would have landed in my life. Secondly, I would like to thank all of you, my students, for your wonderful wishes that have been pouring in since midnight. Well, this word guru, this title guru, rather this designation of guru, I thoroughly believe I am not the person that deserves this. I may become eligible for this in another 10-15 years from today. Right now, I am more than happy, overwhelmed with the title which all of you have given me, that is of your elder brother. Today, on the occasion of Guru Purnima, I take this opportunity to share certain experiences, certain lessons, what I have learned from life. Well, I'm not that old, I'm turning 40 next month, but just thought of sharing these experiences so that it can be of immense help for you in your future. I have divided this into 12 points, 12 lessons, 12 takeaways. The first and the foremost, always respect the first two gurus of your life, that is your parents. I'm not saying that we don't respect our parents, but considering my experiences with so many people, I can tell you that the moment we start becoming elder and our parents start becoming older, we start doubting their decision making. We start believing that we are more capable than our parents in taking the right decisions. Well, they are your parents. Your experience will never surpass their experience. I'm not saying that we should stay with our parents throughout our life. ये liberty, ये privilege हर किसी को नहीं मिलता. I am one of those blessed one who is still living with my parents. I never say my parents live with me. I live with my parents. Because हम कभी भी इतने बड़े नहीं हो सकते कि हमारे मम्मी पापा हमारे साथ रहना चालू करें. हम हमेशा हमारे मॉम डैड के साथ रहते हैं. बट जैसा मैं कह रहा हूं, हर कोई इतना ब्लेस नहीं रहता कि वो लाइफ भर अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ रह सके. योर प्रोफेशन, योर करियर विल टेक यू टू मेनी प्लेसेस, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू बी ग्रेटफुल टू योर पेरेंट्स. Always give them the respect they deserve. Secondly, the second takeaway point is about your family and your relatives, mostly relationships. This is my very, very strong experience that never ever compromise on your relationships, on your family at the cost of money. Most of us who come from middle class families, we try to compromise at many times our relationships, our family members at the cost of earning money, assuming that जब पैसे आएंगे तो हम अच्छी लाइफ जिएंगे, हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स अच्छे रहेंगे, हम खुश रहेंगे. Well, trust me, I can tell you very clearly that happiness has nothing to do with money. So ensure that you keep your relationships and your family intact. In this testing times going on right now, I think all of us have experienced that family or relationship से ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ नहीं है. So this was your takeaway, point number 2. Point number 3, what I've always said to my students is that before you become a good professional in life, it's very important that you are a good human being first. Reason is, until and unless you become a good human being, you cannot become a good professional. Have a kind heart, be more sensitive, have empathy towards others. That is something that the world requires more today. Have a big heart. I'm not asking you to be a great human being. That may happen, may not happen, but at least we can be good human beings with a good heart. Fourth point, what I would like to stress is always help to the best of your capacity. आप जितने सक्षम हो, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा आप आउट ऑफ द वे जाके लोगों की हेल्प करिए, वो आप चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, बट हम में से हर कोई हमारी क्षमता के हिसाब से जो हमें पिंच न करे, हम उतनी हेल्प तो दूसरों की कर ही सकते हैं. इनडिफरेंट अगर हम बन जाएंगे तो दिस वर्ल्ड विल नॉट बी अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू लिव. अगर आपके पास 2,000 रुपए हैं तो आप किसी की 100 रुपए की मदद तो कर ही सकते हैं ना. आपसे ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं कि आप पूरे 2,000 रुपए दूसरों की मदद में खर्च कर दें, बट यस, टू द एक्सटेंट पॉसिबल, टू द एक्सटेंट इट डज नॉट पिंच यू, you should always help others. Trust me, the joy of giving is much, much more than the joy of receiving. And there are so many people in this world who are not that much blessed as you are. So it's our duty, it's our responsibility to help the not so blessed people in our life. And it will bring a great level of joy to you also. Fifth one is a very small word, but it's something which means the world to everybody. And that fifth word is respect. Well, respect is something that can only be earned in this world. It cannot be purchased, right? It is just like Newton's law. It has equal and opposite reaction. The more respect you give to people, it will come back. As they say, the karma comes back. And respect सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों का नहीं होना चाहिए जो हमसे बड़े हैं, हमसे उम्र में बड़े हैं, हमसे औहदे में बड़े हैं, हमसे पोजीशन में बड़े हैं, हमें उनसे काम निकलवाना है. नहीं, रिस्पेक्ट उनका भी होना चाहिए जो हमसे छोटे हैं, जिनसे हमारा कोई काम नहीं है. एंड दैट इज वेयर अ ट्रू कैरेक्टर ऑफ यू इज रिफ्लेक्टेड. आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट the world is never going to judge you with the color of your skin, but the world will always judge you with the content of your character. So ensure that you respect each one of them, whether they are younger to you or elder to you, whether you have some work from them or you do not have work from them. And that is where your true character reflects. Sixth one, what I would like to say is, ensure that you add value to yourself and society every day. When I talk of value addition, I am not talking of the academic value addition. Well, academic value addition तो हर बंदा करता है. But you should add value to the society in which you live. You should add value to your character. You should add value to your personality on daily basis. The internet is a great tool to value add to your personality and your character, provided it is used in that manner. Everything has its own pros and cons. It is upon you how you use the internet, how you use the social media to add to your personality so that it can help others and it can help society and country as a whole. The seventh point, what I would like to say is, never ever forget the bigger purpose for which you are here. We are not here to just study, have a degree, earn money and die. There is a bigger purpose for which we are here in this world. And it is upon everybody to understand the purpose for which you are here in this world. That is something which is very eternal. You need to introspect a lot. Many a times what happens is we confuse our work and money with our life. हम पैसे और काम को ही अपनी लाइफ समझना चालू कर देते हैं. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, पैसा और काम हमारी लाइफ का एक पार्ट है, वो हमारी लाइफ नहीं हो सकता. जितना जल्दी आप ये समझेंगे उतना जल्दी आप खुश रहेंगे. इसके लिए जो 9th टेक अवे पॉइंट है, जो मैं आप लोग को बहुत स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड करूंगा, क्योंकि आई हैव फाउंड अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस इन मी since last 1 year, though I learned it late in my life, but I want you to learn early in your life, is that daily spend 30 minutes, that is half an hour, with yourself. खुद के साथ आधा घंटा बिताइए, और वो आधा घंटा, वो 30 मिनट्स में आपके साथ कोई नहीं होना चाहिए, ना आपके रिश्तेदार, ना आपका फ्रेंड, ना आपका रिलेटिव, ना आपका मोबाइल. Isolated from everybody. The best place to sit is a garden near your residence. होता क्या है, लाइफ में हम दूसरों को बहुत समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. हम अपने पेरेंट्स को समझते हैं, अपने सिबलिंग्स को समझते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स को समझते हैं, अपने कलीग्स को समझते हैं, आगे जाके अपने स्पाउस को समझेंगे, आप अपने बच्चों को समझेंगे. बट हम कभी अपने आप को समझने के लिए टाइम इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करते. And that is probably one of the biggest mistakes I did throughout my life, which I don't want you people to do it. Spend 30 minutes with yourself on daily basis, and that is when you will understand the actual purpose of your life. Well, I'm not getting spiritual where I'm saying कि काम छोड़ दो, पैसा कमाना छोड़ दो या मत कमाना. That is a part of your life. But always look for the bigger purpose for which you are here. 10th takeaway point is, देखिए, आज की दुनिया में सक्सेस पाना अपने आप में ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अचीव सक्सेस, बट इट इज मोर डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन दैट सक्सेस. अपनी सक्सेस को हमेशा अपने दिल तक रखिए, उसको दिमाग पे मत आने दीजिए. ऑलवेज बी ग्राउंडेड इन लाइफ. ऑलवेज कीप योर सक्सेस इन योर हार्ट as a great memory which will cherish throughout your life. The moment your success enters your brain, that is the day your downfall starts. Always be humble in life. Always be modest in life. Always be grounded in life. Why? Because, let me give one example. Scientists have proved that there are thousands of galaxies. Thousands of गैलेक्सीज. वो 1000 ऑफ गैलेक्सीज में हमारी गैलेक्सी एक है, बराबर. हमारी जो गैलेक्सी है उसमें हमारा सोलर सिस्टम इतना छोटा है, मतलब दुनिया में इतनी सारी गैलेक्सीज है, उसमें एक छोटी सी गैलेक्सी हमारी. उस छोटी सी गैलेक्सी में हमारा सोलर सिस्टम और छोटा. उस सोलर सिस्टम में हमारा अर्थ उससे भी छोटा. उस प्लैनेट अर्थ पे एशिया तो इतना सा, उस एशिया में भारत इतना सा, और भारत के 130 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन में आप इतने बड़े इंसान. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, राइट? ऑलवेज बी थैंकफुल टू गॉड. मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, इस दुनिया में साइंस ने नींद आने की दवा इन्वेंट की है कि हमें नींद नहीं आ रही, हम दवाई खाएंगे तो हमें नींद आ जाएगी. बट आज तक नींद से जागने की दवाई इन्वेंट नहीं हुई है. अगर रोज सुबह आप हेल्दी उठ रहे हो तो यू शुड थैंक गॉड फॉर इट, बिकॉज आपकी नींद रोज खुलती कैसे है? देयर इज वन सुपर पावर दैट वांट्स यू टू बी अवेक एवरी डे. And that superpower does not want you to be awake every day with your ego, with your tantrums. They would always like you to be grounded and helping others. So never have success in your mind. Always keep your success in your heart. 11th takeaway point would be happy. Be contented. Happiness, as I said, has nothing to do with money. क्योंकि आप लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस करिए, आपने लाइफ में एक टारगेट अचीव किया होगा, वो टारगेट अचीव करके आप बहुत खुश होते हो, ऐसा नहीं है. आप अगले टारगेट की तरफ भागते हो, फिर आप और अगले टारगेट की तरफ भागते हो. जब तक आप खुश नहीं रहोगे, आपके आजू बाजू वाले खुश नहीं रह सकते. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड हैप्पीनेस इज अ डेली डोज. इट कैन नॉट बी बेस्ड ऑन टारगेट्स कि मैं 2 करोड़ रुपए हासिल कर लूंगा तब मैं खुश रहूंगा, मैं 5 करोड़ हासिल करूंगा तब मैं खुश रहूंगा. हैप्पीनेस इज अ डेली रूटीन. इट इज द वे टू लिव लाइफ. So please ensure that you are happy, because then only your parents, your relatives, your friends, people around you can be happy. Last and most important point is the 12th takeaway. that whatever you do in life, ensure that your parents are proud of you. Ensure that the society as a whole is proud of you. Ensure that your teachers, your alma mater is proud of you. But most important, always ensure that when you look into that mirror, you should be proud of that person in the mirror, that yes, I've done something in life which I'm proud of. I've done it with full honesty. I've done it with dedication, and I'm so happy of whatever I have achieved in my life. That is the whole purpose of life. That is the way to live life. I hope these points bring happiness and peace in your life. This is Vipul Vora signing off. Have a great time ahead, and I look forward for all the successes in your life. God bless you. Thank you.